Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'm Raf. This is a real quick video. I weren't planning on doing this, so we've had in this beautiful Ford Ranger Platinum. It's a really nice truck. So the owner of this truck actually watched the video we did on the other Raptor. Now we do a lot of Rangers. We've done upgraded a lot of them. So we've got another video on our channel, which I will link down below, where we upgraded the full audio system on a Ranger Raptor to a really high-end system. So this chap approached us. He wanted an upgrade. Whenever we discuss an audio upgrade, one of the most important things you have to bring up is budget, because we can come up with a real big plan and it might not be within the owner's budget. So the budget this chap had wouldn't quite get him that system, but there's always a plan B. So we went back and forth. We had a few chats via email, and the biggest question was, what are you most disappointed about? And this chap was, it was lacking low end, so he wanted a bit more bass, and he felt like the front speakers could do a little bit more. So from the factory, this has got a B&O system. It's got 6x9 mid-bass drivers in the doors, tweeters on the A-pillars, speakers in the rear doors, and it's got a tiny little 6.5, 6x9 subwoofer behind the rear seats. We will overlay images hopefully while we're going along so you can see it all. So what we did was, the plan was we needed to give him a bit more low end. So what we've done on this vehicle is under the back seats, once again we'll overlay images, we've fiberglassed and built a custom subwoofer enclosure which goes under the seats. That houses a 8-inch Audison subwoofer. Now, I have seen some people who've used 10s in these, but I'll be completely honest, measuring the volume down there, I think you would struggle. You get a 10 in, but a smaller woofer in the right size box, I feel, will outperform a bigger woofer in the wrong size box. So once again, we've used an 8-inch Audison subwoofer in here. It's a dual 4-ohm voice coil woofer. We've run that woofer down to 2 ohms so we can get most power out of the Hertz amplifier that we've installed. So the amplifier's gone behind the seat. So literally the system takes up no space whatsoever. So there's an amplifier behind the rear seats, hidden away. We've put the amplifier where the original 6x9 woofer was in this truck. Now, one thing we have noticed on these Rangers is they're all a little bit different. So the Raptor that we've done and the Raptors that we've done, the 6x9 woofer is more in the middle, and the amplifier, the factory amplifier, is behind the passenger side of the rear seats. On this, it's the other way around. But anyway, amp's gone behind the seats where the original 6x9 woofer was. Subwoofer's obviously gone under the floor. Again, we'll overlay some images. Another thing we've done is we've sounded in the front doors on this vehicle, because it was you could tell that the speakers were sort of giving way. They weren't performing at their optimal. And what we've done on a lot of cars in the past is when someone hasn't got the budget to upgrade speakers and go down the route of an amplifier, we use sound deadening to our advantage. And if you sound deaden the doors and give the speakers the best environment to play in, you'll almost get another 20-30% out of the factory speakers. So sound deaden the front doors, put a sub in, put an amp in. We've also put a bass controller within easy reach of the driver. And honestly, if you heard this car and you had a demo of this car, and we asked you to have a wild guess of what woofer we're playing, you'd probably turn up and say something like a 12-inch woofer, because it sounds awesome. So real nice upgrade, car's ready for collection. Owner's coming shortly to pick it up. So the message with this video is, if you want an audio system and you're watching some of our videos, and we get this a lot, we get a lot of emails, inquiries come through saying, oh, do you do something a bit more, budget friendly, or, not a full system? And we do everything. So, we try and build a system around your needs. Contact us, drop us a shout, drop us an email, call us, let us know what you want, and we'll be more than happy with coming up with a solution within your budget. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, because we're looking at our analytics on YouTube, and I think 97% of the people who are viewing our videos, and we get decent views, 97% are not subscribed. If you subscribe, it really makes things better for us. The algorithm pushes our videos further, and obviously we can then create more content for you. Like the video. Thanks guys, I'm out.